begins with a careful harvest of perfectly ripened coffee cherries.
Each batch is collected and measured before moving to the next stage. Initial sorting removes impurities at the source. Prepared cherries are packed for immediate transport. The harvested cherries are prepared for their journey to processing. Maintaining speed and care ensures quality is never compromised. The transformation process is about to begin. Incoming loads are verified and recorded for precise tracking. Each batch is directed toward its designated unloading zone. The raw harvest is now ready for intake. Automated systems take over for continuous processing flow. The transfer begins from container to processing line. Uniform distribution prepares the batch for cleaning. The next stage begins with thorough cleaning and preparation. Every system is designed for continuous, uninterrupted flow. Each cherry advances toward its first transformation stage. Human oversight ensures accuracy at every stage.
Flow rate adjusted.
Confirmed speed stable. An integrated network keeps production moving without pause. Controlled batching prepares the flow for uniform cleaning. The cleaning phase begins with continuous water circulation. Impurities are removed through controlled water flow systems. Now cleaned, the cherries move toward precision sorting. Every imperfection is carefully removed by trained eyes. Size grading ensures uniform processing conditions. Advanced sensors verify consistency beyond the human eye. A final human check guarantees uncompromised quality. The refined batch is now ready for core processing. Controlled feeding ensures stability in every step ahead. The transformation from raw cherry to coffee begins here. The outer fruit layer is removed to reveal the coffee bean inside. Separation ensures only the core bean continues forward. Fermentation refines the natural sugars and prepares the beans for washing. This controlled process enhances flavor development at its core. Once complete, the beans are released for final cleaning. Thorough washing removes all remaining impurities. Moisture is reduced before controlled drying begins. Balanced input ensures even drying across the entire batch. Controlled heat begins transforming moisture into stability. This stage prepares the beans for roasting and flavor development. Heat transforms the beans, unlocking aroma and depth.
Temperature holding steady at 200, adjusting timer to 45 seconds. Confirmed. Roast profile is optimal. Looks good. Continuing the roast.
Once perfected, the beans are immediately cooled to lock in flavor. The roasted beans now move toward precision grinding. Grinding transforms the beans into a uniform coffee base. The foundation for instant coffee is now prepared. Hot water extracts the essence of coffee into liquid form. Moisture evaporates, leaving behind pure coffee solids. The instant coffee begins to take its final form. Steam binds the fine particles into larger, soluble granules. Granules are shaped and separated into a consistent structure. Controlled airflow removes moisture, locking in stability and texture. The finished coffee moves toward final packaging lines. Airflow conditioning removes fine particles and stabilizes the final texture. The finished coffee moves toward final packaging lines. Packaging begins as containers align for filling. Clean glass jars are aligned with precision, ready for filling. Each jar is checked to ensure exact fill accuracy. Solubility tests confirm performance in every cup. Aroma and appearance are assessed for final approval. Only perfectly filled Nescafé jars move forward. Each Nescafé glass jar is sealed with precision to preserve freshness. Seal integrity ensures every Nescafé jar stays airtight. Every Nescafé label is verified for perfect presentation. Each jar is coded for complete traceability. Selected Nescafé jars undergo detailed quality checks. Nescafé granules are tested for fast and complete solubility. Aroma and flavor meet the signature Nescafé standard. Only approved Nescafé products move forward to final packaging. The final product now moves toward packaging and distribution.
Line these up. Got it. Okay, onto the belt.
Products are grouped into branded cartons for shipment. Each carton is sealed for secure transportation. Automated systems ensure efficient and consistent pallet formation. Wrapping protects the product during storage and transit. Finished products are stored, ready for global distribution.
Steady now, bring it forward.
Shipments are prepared for delivery across markets.
That's it, lower it down.
From factory to consumers, the journey continues. And this is how modern factories produce Nescafe instant coffee, from start to finish.